Hey everybody, welcome to Brandy's Cards. I want to tell you a little bit about the new paper pumpkin kit that's coming. It's called the Box of Sunshine. Oh my gosh, I was so excited to see the marketing materials on this kit. And so I had to come to you and I had to share it with you because Stampin' Up! Never shares a sneak peek. And they did this time. So I'm excited to, well, they do show sneak peeks, but not really. You can't really see the cards. So if you're new to Brandy's Cards and you're wondering, what is paper pumpkin? Well, if you've seen this fantastic orange box, basically what that is it is a kit. It is a card making kit of goodness that you can subscribe to get once a month, or you can buy a prepaid package where you would still get it once a month. Now you don't know what's inside of it when you get it. It is a surprise, and sometimes Stampin' Up! Does certain times of the year, they do different types of kits, like specialty kits. So last month was this kit, and this kit was fantastic. These are our new in colors, and I just thought it was really cool. And then when I saw the kit that we're getting ready to have, I was like, oh, I've got to show you guys in case you miss it. It's fantastic. So here, let me show you a little bit about the Box of Sunshine. But before I do, let me just remind you that the Paper Pumpkin Kit comes with all of the cardstocks, the envelope that you need, the embellishments, the stamp set, and the ink, as well as directions. So it's all in one box that you can take with you, and you can stamp anywhere, really. So stamping to go. Okay, well, let's go over to my website over here, and Box of Sunshine. This paper pumpkin, you can subscribe between May 11th and June 10th. So that is your window to subscribe. All right, so here, this is super cool. So the picture here is Sarah Douglas. She's our CEO of Stampin' Up! And she is featuring this kit, and here on YouTube, and you'll also find this on my post on brandyscards.com. Now here, and she has got a video and she is showing you this fantastic kit. Now look right here, this is the beautiful Box of Sunshine, and inside the box you can actually take some of the leftover pieces and make yourself a really pretty top piece where you can gift this box. And in here Sarah's put some chocolates and some yummy candy and some different things, and this is one of the cards in her hand that she is going to give with that kit. Okay, so I'm going to pull up the flyer. So this is the flyer that Stampin' Up! Has shared with us, and you know, right now our friends and family and strangers, they all need this Box of Sunshine, so it couldn't have come at a better time. So here, let me show you this. If I've got my flyer up here, there we go. I am going to take my little plus button, plus. Oh, look at that. Look at those cards. Aren't they fantastic? Now, normally Stampin' Up! Does not give us a sneak peek like this. So these cards are amazing. And I couldn't be more excited. I have ordered some of these kits myself, but I just wanted to share it with you because if you wanted to try Paper Pumpkin, if you wanted to give Paper Pumpkin a try, now is the time because this kit is phenomenal and you will love it. So I wanted to share a couple more things about Paper Pumpkin with you. So when you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin with me for the first time, and you're a new subscriber, I'm going to send you a gift. And that gift, sometimes it's a pack of Stampin' Dimensionals, and sometimes it's a pack of doilies. It just, I'd like to send you a surprise gift for joining Paper Pumpkin and selecting me as your demonstrator. That's right. So Stampin' Up!, my online store, is completely different than my Paper Pumpkin store. So if you want to select me as your demonstrator, I would be grateful, but you have to do it in both places. So if you select me as your demonstrator for Paper Pumpkin, then you should have received thank you notes from me. You should receive correspondence or a gift for being a first-time subscriber. Now, if you haven't heard from me, there's a possibility you didn't select anybody as your demonstrator, or maybe you have a different demonstrator, and that's okay. But if you think that I'm your demonstrator and you haven't heard from me, that's probably because you didn't actually select me. And so what that means is that you go into a generic Stampin' Up! House account. Now, that's okay, but the problem with that is when you call me or email me or ask me questions, I can't actually go in and help figure out why your paper pumpkin might not have arrived, or if you have a damaged product, or if something happens, or if you need help canceling, or there are a million different things that might come up that you want to contact me and you'd like me to help you with. But if I'm not selected as your demonstrator, I can't do that on your behalf. So that is, that is one of the most important things to me, is offering you good customer service. So, so you can actually go back in and select a demonstrator, and you can also call Stampin' Up! And let them know, hey, I'd like to add a demonstrator to my Paper Pumpkin account. So that is a possibility as well. If you have any questions about that, just reach out to me at brandyscards.com. The very top right hand side, it says contact me, and email me and say, Brandy, am I subscribed with you? And I can let you know right away. If you're not, I would love the opportunity to earn your business and love the opportunity to help you answer any questions you have. Like I said, this kit is fantastic. And this is the first time I've done a video like this on Paper Pumpkin, but I'm truly passionate about how beautiful these cards are and how much I think you're going to love them. So if you haven't tried a kit before, I highly encourage you do so. These kits are for beginners and for avid crafters, because you can take the items inside the kit and you can use them to create your own masterpieces, your own projects. You don't have to create them as is. Stampin' Up! Gives you the starting place and they give you the directions, but you can take it on your own and get creative as well. All right, so I think that wraps up Paper Pumpkin. I love it. I am a subscriber, and sometimes you guys get Paper Pumpkin cards from me as thank you notes because I love them. And I enjoy sometimes not having to come up with the idea and just enjoy some crafting time. So thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you, and I hope that you have a sunshine-filled day. Take care. Bye, everybody.